Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make accordion cucumber salad. By cutting cucumber like an accordion, the sauce or the dressing stay on the cucumber really well. Let me show you how to cut the cucumber like an accordion and how to make the dressing. Let's get started. These are what you need. 2 cucumbers, some ginger, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and some salt. Cut both ends off. I'm making diagonal slits all the way from here to here. Keep the angle of your knife all the time. And make sure you don't cut it off and try to make the gap between each slit less than 1 millimeter. The tip of the knife touches the cutting board when you make slit, but the heel of the knife is always in the air. When you have slit on one side like this, flip it over so that all the slits are facing down. And do the same for the other side. If you're worried about cutting it off, prepare disposal chopsticks. And place the cucumber between the chopsticks and then make slit. So slits on one side and slits on the other side too. Let's cut them in bite size. Prepare some salt water in a bowl. Some salt. Some water. The saltiness of this water is like seawater. Let's put the cucumber and leave them for about 10 minutes. Now I'm making the sauce or the dressing. Ginger. You don't need much. Peel the skin using spoon. Just scrape the skin off. And let's mince this finely. It's minced finely. Put the ginger in a Ziploc container like this or bowl big enough to put the cucumber. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar. Give it a quick mix. Bring back the cucumber. Cucumber is wilted because of the salt water. Take some, 2 or 3, and squeeze it well. Let's put it in the dressing. Mix with the sauce. Put the lid on and let it sit at least 10 minutes in the fridge. It's marinated well and chilled, so let's serve. This is totally optional, but if you have some chili pepper strips for better presentation, you can put some on top. And accordion cucumber salad is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!